So on the 13th of March, some jackass decided that he wanted to be nice and let somebody else out and backs up into my car, and I had a whole entire car's length in front of me, even still, blowing my horn, and he crunched into the license plate. Even following the old CDL rules of keeping distance, the person still didn't hit a horn and still didn't have enough room, backed up into my car. So, of course, once the police comes, he starts rambling words, starts bitching out. Of course, he goes from apologizing and saying he's sorry and stuff like that to, he didn't back up at all. Of course, the police officer knew he was lying and started applying pressure, but, the police didn't really give no fucks anyway. So that's what happens when you don't make the proper preparation, which brings me to my next point of the dash cam that I'm having ordered soon. So I'm ordering this particular model. I think it's called PRUVEEO, and it can mount right next to your mirror. It has, the repeat. It'll connect to your phone. It's affordable. And so this is what I'm planning on going with, and even in my personal car to protect myself against these old crazy-ass Vegas drivers. Because if you haven't been in Vegas or El Paso or L.A., you haven't been around a crazy driver. Trust me, they be flipping cars over here. What I like most about it is that it connects to your phone. I'm pretty sure a good amount of them do, but I'm pretty sure there's some of them that don't. This one right here will connect Wi-Fi and give you the real-time playback. So hopefully there won't be a next time, but whether in my personal car rental, when it comes to your credit score and your personal, situations, definitely worth taking the extra step. Take care of yourself. Should have taken the proper preparation. But I'll have the link in the description for it. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. That's basically what happens. If you see this jackass out on the road and you out here in Vegas, be forewarned, stay away from his ass. He will fuck your shit up just like everybody else. But either way, drive safely, Whenever you pull up to the light, keep a car's length, because even in my case, somebody still did something dumb. So, until next time, I'll holler at y'all. I'll be dropping the videos. Stay safe. One.